Teach them well and let them lead
Hi
the
friends,
way.
check out my microwaved blueberry blondie recipe. Add 15 grams of sugar to 12.5 grams of melted butter. Stir. Add 25 grams or half an egg. Stir. Look at how fudgy it is. Now add a quarter teaspoon of vanilla. Stir. Add 15 grams of flour. Stir. And look at how glorious it is. Now add something nice, bit of white chocolate, 8 grams. Get it in there. And 8 grams of blueberries. Just plop them in. Now put it in the microwave for a minute, 20 seconds. And you're in for a treat.
Just look at the results. And that sexual chocolate. I believe the children are our future.